Good afternoon, LC people. Well, your last one for the day. Yeah, I've not posted the first one yet, so you get them both together. I do apologise. So yeah, I got the crank back this morning. I got all brand new seals going on in it, brand new clutch plates. It's had the Yammer bond for the case faces, and I always put RTV silicone sealant around the seals anyway. That's just what Dave does. So she's fully there. She's fully back together. And yeah, very, very happy about it. Nothing else to say about that. All I've got left to do tomorrow is build up the cases for it. They're already sat in black powder coated. Water pump and oil pump to go on that one. Box of stuff that's left over. I'm going to wait now for the barrels after I've done that. So this engine will probably be next week, end of next week, by the time I get the barrels back for it. They've gone to the powder coaters. I collected the barrels with a crank and I just took the barrels straight to the powder coater, then cracked on and assembled the motor. It's had a fully rebuilt crank, new rods, big ends, mains and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm fully happy about it. It'd be very nice when it's all back together and in the bike. I'll probably fajazzle the cases a bit, get some polish on them and try and make it a bit more gleamy. Didn't take it for vapor blasting in the end. I could have done, but I'll clean it up my way. It'll still be nice. I'll be very happy. So yeah, I pulled out some bits for the 500 and I'm thinking I've got pistons to pump out for this 500. So the brake calipers need to go, switch gear, a few other bits and pieces for the 500. That'll be the end of the week. Feels done for the day. Hopefully that'll be going this week. This will be going. That one another day. And can't get around to the 500. Other than that, I'm waiting for other bits, as you know. Nothing else left to report. But yeah, I've had a productive day. And now it's time to go home. So thanks for watching, folks. Yeah, that's what I've been about. Dilly dilly.